In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Affinity Designer. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along with confidence. By the end, you'll have a clean, scalable QR code ready to drop into any layout or design. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. If you're launching a new document, pick a canvas size that suits where the QR code will live, like a print layout, a social graphic, or a web banner. You don't have to be exact at this stage because you can resize the QR code later without losing quality, but giving yourself some breathing room on the canvas makes placement easier. Once you're in, look to the top left of the interface and make sure you're in the vector workspace. In Affinity Designer, this is the persona that gives you all the precise shape and curve tools you'll need. If you're in a different workspace, switch over so the shape options appear in your toolbar. Next, select the Shape tool from the Tools panel. It typically shows a basic shape icon, and if you click and hold, you'll see a full menu of shape options. This is where Affinity keeps a variety of ready-made shapes so you don't have to build them from scratch. From that expanded menu, choose the QR code tool. As soon as you select it, you'll notice that the context toolbar along the top updates with QR-specific controls. These let you fine-tune the code's content and appearance at any time, so don't worry if you're not set on details yet. You can adjust them after you draw. Now draw the QR code directly on your canvas. Click and drag to set the size that feels right for your design. The tool will generate a perfect square for you, and because it's vector-based, you can scale it up or down later without any loss in clarity. If you want extra precision, use snapping to align it to guides or the center of your layout. A couple of practical tips as you place it. Keep strong contrast between the QR code and its background so scanners can read it quickly. Avoid adding strokes that could crowd the modules, and leave a little clear space around the code so it doesn't butt up against other elements. If you're designing for print, test a quick proof at the final size to make sure it scans reliably. That's it. You opened Affinity Designer, switched to the vector workspace, chose the shape tool, picked the QR code tool, and drew your code onto the canvas. You now have a clean, editable QR code ready to integrate into your project.